Welcome back to Narcissism Freedom. And if this is your first time here, I want to personally welcome you. You've just found a space that honors your journey, your healing, and your power. This channel is dedicated to anyone who has ever been made to feel small, unheard, or invisible in the presence of someone who thrives on control and manipulation. If you've been through narcissistic abuse or toxic relationships, know this. You are seen, you are valued, and your light matters. Never dim your light. Never lower your standards. Never back down for anyone, especially a narcissist. There's a moment in every person's healing journey when the scales finally fall from your eyes. You start to realize that you've been shrinking yourself, hiding pieces of your truth, and apologizing for existing in a space that never deserved your presence in the first place. You've been quiet to keep the peace, flexible to avoid conflict, and gentle with people who were never gentle with you. But today, that changes. Your light is not arrogance. Your standards are not selfish. Your boundaries are not cruelty. They are acts of self-respect, self-love, and courage. Choosing yourself is never wrong. It is never too much. Narcissists don't fear people who bend to them. They fear people who rise, who know their worth, who refuse to apologize for existing, and who refuse to bend their truth to satisfy someone else's ego. The moment you stop dimming your shine, you become untouchable to anyone who relied on your self-doubt for their power. You were never meant to be easy to manipulate. You were always meant to stand tall, to speak your truth, and to embrace the full power of your presence. If someone has ever told you that you're too much, it is usually because they benefited from you being less confident, less aware, less awake. But here's the truth. You were never too much. They were never enough for the brilliance, strength, and authenticity you carry. Your power is not negotiable. Your light is not optional. Raising your standards doesn't mean you think you're better than anyone else. It means you finally understand what you deserve. It means you no longer settle for crumbs of attention, affection, or validation. It means you stop confusing control for love and manipulation for care. It means you no longer allow anyone to dictate your worth or steal your peace. Backing down is something you might have done in the past to survive. Survival is one thing, but living in alignment with your truth is another. You are no longer here to survive. You are here to rise, to awaken, and to reclaim every piece of yourself that was silenced, questioned, or dismissed. You don't owe anyone your energy, your silence, or your smallness. The right people, those who are meant to walk beside you, will never ask you to shrink. They will ask how they can grow with you, how they can rise alongside you, and how they can honor your truth without trying to dim it. You are allowed to choose yourself. You are allowed to say no without guilt. You are allowed to walk away from what no longer serves you without apology. You are allowed to outgrow people, places, and patterns that keep you small. And you are allowed to embrace every ounce of your light, every ounce of your voice, and every ounce of your power. Let me remind you that narcissists thrive on confusion, self-doubt, and compliance. They are threatened when you start seeing through their manipulation, when you start trusting yourself, and when you stop needing their approval. Your independence, clarity, and courage make them powerless. Your awakening is the greatest disruption to their control. It is time to stop apologizing for being visible, for being ambitious, for being confident, for being unapologetically yourself. Your light is not a problem. Your standards are not too high. Your voice is not too loud. Your boundaries are not unkind. They are necessary. They are protective. They are powerful. You are learning to honor yourself, to value your energy, and to prioritize your peace. You are learning to recognize the signs of manipulation, gaslighting, and narcissistic control. You are learning to stand firm even when others try to push you back into the shadows. And you are learning that your power is unstoppable when it is rooted in self-love, self-awareness, and spiritual alignment. Every time you choose yourself, you set an example. You teach others how they are allowed to treat you. You demonstrate that your worth is not subject to anyone else's approval. You show that your peace is non-negotiable. You prove that your light is meant to shine, even in the face of resistance. If you're watching this right now and thinking about someone who tried to dim your light, remember this. They cannot control what they no longer have power over. Your healing, your awakening, and your empowerment are your own. No one can take that from you. Take a deep breath and feel the strength rising within you. Feel your energy expanding. Feel the clarity and courage coursing through your mind, body, and spirit. You are not a victim. You are a survivor. You are a warrior. And your time to shine is now. If this message resonates with you, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs encouragement, and leave a comment letting me know which part spoke to your heart. Don't forget to subscribe to Narcissism Freedom for more content designed to help you heal, grow, and rise in your power. Remember, never dim your light. Never lower your standards. Never back down for anyone, especially a narcissist. Stand tall. Speak clearly. Walk boldly. And embrace the unstoppable power of the person you are becoming. Because the moment you stop dimming your light is the moment your life finally begins to glow.